Tired of typing the same thing over and over again in your emails? Let's revolutionize your inbox with Gmail templates to save serious time, starting now. First things first, we need to enable Gmail's templates feature. If you haven't already, go to the gear icon. That's your settings. In the top right corner of your Gmail, click See All Settings then. Navigate to the Advanced tab. Look for the Templates section. You'll see an option to enable it once you've found it. Click Enable. And then be sure to scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Now that templates are enabled, let's create one. Click the Compose button to start a new email. This is your blank canvas for your reusable message. Write out the email exactly as you want it to appear, including your subject line, body text, and even any standard closing or signature lines. Think of it as drafting the perfect, frequently sent email. Once your template message is perfectly crafted, click the 3 vertical dots in the bottom right corner of the Compose window. This opens up more options. Hover over Templates, and then hover over Save Draft as Template from the dropdown. Select Save as New Template. A small window will pop up asking you to name your template. Choose a clear and descriptive name so you can easily find it later, for example, Client Inquiry Response or Meeting Follow-up. Click Save. Now, when you need to send a similar email again, simply start composing a new email and click those same 3 dots. Hover over Templates again, but this time under Insert Template. You'll see all your saved templates. Click the name of the template you want to use. Instantly, the content of your saved template will populate your new email. You can then quickly make any necessary edits, personalize it further, and hit send. It's that simple. Mastering Gmail templates is a game changer for efficiency. Start creating your library of templates today and reclaim your valuable time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips.